Hey guys, today we're going to do another 9.9, but this is part 2. Yesterday we did it with number lines and jumping on how many there is to make the math sentence. Well, today we're going to do what is missing to make 10. You guys have seen this on Mountain Math, so you know what to do with that. But we're going to also add to it, and we're going to write the number sentence underneath here, so that way you guys can practice with your number sentences and your math sentences. Okay, so it says write the missing number to make 10. So on this line, we need to know what is missing. And remember, missing is what's not there. It's blank. It's 0. There's nothing there. All right, so the first one, bum, 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 bum. I hope I didn't make you dizzy. Just having fun. All right, so let's count how many are missing. 1, 2, 3. So on this number, on this line, we're going to write the number 3. Halfway around and around again. I want you to look at your number 3 and make sure it's the right way. If it's backwards, you can either cross it off and write it again or erase and write it again, because we do not want to write our 3s like that anymore, guys. We don't want to do that. We are bigger now. We want a regular 3. All right, let's go ahead and do this one real quick. What number's missing? I wonder. I hope you're going to put the number 1. All right, and that says come straight down, and that is all. All right, look at this one. Ooh, this one's tricky. How many is missing? I wonder. Well, it looks like that's all filled in, so we need to put a 0. Make a circle, and that is all. All right, let's look at this one. How many are missing? 2. So curve around and go to the right. Watch your 2s too. Some of us still do it a little backwards. So let's not do it like that. We don't want that anymore. Let's make sure that your 2 looks like a 2. Come down here. Let's see if you can do this one. Let's see how many are missing. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to write a 4 on this. So down and right and cut in 2. All right, let's see how many is missing on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to slide to the right and slant on down. Okay, what I'm going to let you do is on these 4, I'm going to give you a few seconds, and I want you to do those 4 without me, and then I'm going to show you if you guys did it right or not. Let's see. Go ahead. Do those 4 for me. Okay, I hope you were able to put what 4 were missing, but I'm not giving you the answers just yet. No, 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 not yet. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to come back up here, and we're going to write a math sentence that goes along with this to make 10, okay? So we're going to look at our tens frames first, and we're going to count how many counters we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the first number in our math sentence is going to be a 7. So I'm going to write a 7 right there. And now we're going to be adding because we want to make 10. And so we're going to put the plus sign because we're putting things together. So we have 7 plus, this number here will be our next add in because that's what's missing. 1, 2, 3, like we do on our Mountain Math. And so I'm going to put a 3. And we know that if we have 3 missing, I'm getting a new marker. If we have to fill in these 3 to make 10, now we have a full tens frame, right? So that will be 10. So it's 7 plus 3 equals 10. Now I'm going to show you another way to do it. I'm also going to do it with some counters, okay? So I'm going to get 7. Like yesterday, our first set was 7. Well, this is our first set right here. Those black dots is our 7. Is our first set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so our second set would be the missing ones, the missing squares. So, and we know that's 3. So I'm going to get 3 counters. 1, 2, 3. So let's go ahead and count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, so we have 10. We can also do it with a number path or a number line, kind of like what we have here. And you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is our first one. right? And then it said 3 more. 1, 2, 3. We stopped at 10. You could even do it with a counter if you wanted to. Our first set says 7, so jump 7. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, we got to jump 3 more. 1, 2, 3. We stopped at 10. All right, let's go ahead and do this one together, guys. All right, so our first set, it shows 9 counters, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to put a 9 right here, 9. Then I'm going to put a plus because we're putting it together. 1. There's 1 left over. There's 1 still missing, so we need to put 1 as that other add-in. And that's going to equal, let's see if I color that one in. It's going to equal 10. So we're going to go ahead and put that 10 there again. Oh, we can do it with the number line. Let's do it with the number line. Okay, I'm going to get a new counter. You ready? So it says 9. So our first set is 9. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then it said that we needed 1 more to get to 10. So whoop, there's 10. So we did that one right. And you could even do it with your counters. The first set said 9. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our second set said 1, so let's get 1 more. All right, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we did that one right. All right, let's look at this one. Oh, our first set said 10. So I'm going to put a 10, a 1 and a 0. Plus, because we want to add it. Do we need to do any orange counters? No, we don't have to fill anything in. So we're just going to put that 0 again like it says here, 0. Then we're going to put equals 10. So 10 plus 0 equals 10. Well, if we did it on our number line, let's see. Oh, let's do it. We only need 10, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or if you already know how to do that, you could just jump all the way to 10. Now you're at 10. And you could do the same thing with your counters. You know, there was 9. Here's 10. I don't get any more. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 counters. All right, let's do this one. All right, our first set shows that we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm going to write an 8. And then I'm going to put the plus, and there's 2 missing, right? 2 counters missing to make 10. So I'm going to put a 2. Make sure you watch those 2s again. Then I'm going to put the equal sign, and it's going to equal 10. Okay, and so if you want to, let's do it on the number line, okay? Our first set said that we needed 8. So I'm just going to go ahead and start at 8 because that's just easier instead of counting all the way to 8. And then it said that we needed 2 more. 1, 2. What number did we stop at? 10 again, didn't we? All right, and we can also just do it with counters. Here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it said that we needed 2 more. So let's get 2 more. 1, 2. Let's count it to make sure that it's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we just made 10 again. All right, let's go ahead and go down to this one. Our first set says 5, 6. We don't even have to count all that because if you know the top's 5, add 1 more, that's 6, right? So, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to write a 6. Slants on down and give it a curl. Put our plus. Let's see how many are empty. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 empty boxes, so we need to write a 4 for our second add-in. So 6 plus 4 equals 10 again. So equal sign and put a 10. Now, if we did it on our tens frame, I don't have to count all the way to 6. I can just start at 6 because that was our first add-in, right? Now it says it wants 4 more. So I'm going to jump 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I stopped at 10, just like I did here. All right, let's go ahead and do the counters. It said it wants 6 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. He tried to run away. 5, 6. All right, and then the second set said 4 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh, let's count it all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 10 again. Good job. Let's go ahead and do this one. This one has, 3. Our first set says 3. So we're going to put the 3 halfway around and around again. Plus, let's see how many we needed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's the number that we wrote here, right? So our second add-in is 7. And then that is going to equal 10 again. All right, now if we did it on the tens frames, let's get rid of those ones. Let's do it on our tens frames again. All right, it says on 3, our first number set was 3. So I'm just going to start at 3. That's easy. Then it says that we need to get to 10. Well, let's get to 10 and let's count how many it takes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It took us 7 jumps to get to 10. All right, or you can do it with the counters. Let's do our first set. Our first set was 3. 1, 2, 3. Our second set was 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's go ahead and count them all together. Oh, look at the 3 sleepy bears. Oh, 1, 2, 3. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10. Good job, guys. All right, are you guys ready for these ones? All right, let's do it. All right, the missing number should be 6. Slant on down and give it a curl because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the missing number there. Hope you got that one. Let's see how many are missing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I hope you wrote a 9 and you wrote it like this and not backwards so it doesn't look like a P. All right, let's look at this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are missing. Down and around and give it a hat. Let's see how many are missing in this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make an S and go back home. All right, guys, so I hope you did a 6, a 9, a 5, and an 8. If not, go ahead and real quick, go ahead and fix it. I'll give you a couple seconds to do that. All right, I hope you fixed them and made sure that it doesn't look like a P and your 5's not backwards, your 6 not backwards, and your 8 looks like an 8. Okay, let's go ahead and do our math sentences, okay? So our first set on this one is a 4. So down and right and cut in 2, give me a plus. Now, how many are missing? We wrote the 6 here. Let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So right here, we're going to write a 6. Slant on down and give it a curl. And that's going to equal 10. All right, let's do it on our number line real quick. All right, so it says our first set is 4. So I'm going to start at 4. Let's count how many jumps it takes us to get to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's the number we wrote here. So good job. So 4 plus 6 equals 10. I want you to write the math sentence for this one without me. I'm going to give you a couple seconds and see if you can do it. Go ahead. Okay, I hope you were able to write the math sentence. Our first math number for our add-in would be a 1 because that's what we have there for that. All right, now we're going to put our plus. And let's count how many we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're going to go ahead and put a 9 here, okay? And all together, when you have 1 plus 9, it will give us 10 again. All right, so let's go ahead and do it on our number line, okay? So the first number set is set to start at 1. So I'm just going to put it at 1. Let's count how many jumps it takes us to get to 10. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, just like we did here, 9. And you can also do it with the counters. We need 1, right? Then we need 9 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we're going to count it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have 10. Nice. All right, I want you to look at this one, and I want you to go ahead and try to write your math sentence for this one. I'll give you a few seconds to do that. All right, I hope you wrote it down. Let's see. All right, so our first add-in is going to be 5, right? So down and around and give it a hat. We're going to add it. And now there's 5 missing. Let's make sure there's 5 missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and that's the number that we wrote here. So I'm going to write another 5 on here. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. And you guys know that because we do that in class all the time. And it's all filled in here on our tens frame. Let's go ahead and do it on our number line, okay? So our first one said that we need to start at 5. So there I am. I'm at 5. Let's count how many jumps it takes us to get to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we jumped 5 jumps, and that's what we said here. So good job, guys. Let's go ahead. Oh, let's do it with our counters real quick. So let's get 5 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Man, trying to get them out of the house, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 2 sets of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now we have 10. Good job, guys. All right, let's do the last one. Go ahead and write the math sentence for me, and then we'll do it on our number line, and I'll see if you guys can do it with me, okay? All right, guys, let's see. Okay, our first set is 2 because we have 2 counters here. So curve around and go to the right. We're going to put our plus. And how many are missing? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and we have that 8 again, and that's the number that we wrote here. So let's write an 8. Make an S and go back home. And then we're going to do our equals, and it is 10. Okay, so 2 plus 8 equals 10. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go to our number line. Our first set said that it had 2, so I'm just going to put the counter on 2. Let's count how many jumps it takes us to get to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Didn't we say 8 was missing? So there we go. So let's go ahead and do it with our counters. Our first set was 2. So here's 2 bears. Let's do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count them all together to make sure that it's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, guys, you did really well with making your numbers and counting how many was missing to get to 10. So great job today, and keep up the good work. I'll talk to you later. Bye.